In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automate PDF documents like contracts. We'll use Jotform to collect the data, APITemplate to generate the PDF, and Make to connect everything into one automated workflow. After signing in, click New PDF Template to create a new template. Next, choose Visual Editor so you can edit the PDF template using a Microsoft Word-like editor. Then select Business Contract Sample. Click Create to create the template. Once the template is created, click the Edit button to open it. Inside the Visual Editor, let's first look at the sample data in the JSON tab. This is the dynamic data that Make will send to APITemplate. Then go back to the Template tab. Here, you can update the document and insert dynamic variables like the contractor name and company name. When your template is ready, click Save. Now that the PDF template is ready, the next step is to create a Jotform form where users can submit their information. Once you've signed into Jotform, click the Create button. Jotform makes this part really easy. You can simply describe the form you want, and its AI will generate it for you. Once the form is ready, publish it, then copy the Jotform link and share it with your users so they can fill in their details and submit the form. Once the template is ready and your Jotform is set up, the next step is to use Make to connect everything into one automated workflow. First, in Make's Visual Builder, add a Jotform module to collect the form data. For the action, choose Watch for Submissions. This lets Make listen for new form submissions automatically. You'll need to set up the connection first, then save it. After that, click Run once. While it's running, open your Jotform link and submit some sample data to test the workflow. Once the submission comes in, you'll see the form data appear in the output. Next, add the APITemplate module. Add a Create PDF action. Then, configure the connection. You can copy your API key from the API Integration tab in APITemplate. Then select the template you just created. For the payload type, choose key-value pairs if your data structure is simple and flat. After that, map the Jotform fields to the JSON fields used in your template. At this point, you already have a simple workflow that generates PDFs automatically using Make and APITemplate. Click Run once again. While it's running, open your Jotform link and submit some sample data to test the workflow. Once the data comes in, it will trigger the workflow and generate a PDF with APITemplate. You can then check the output for the download URL of the generated PDF. If you have a more complex data structure, you can use the JSON module to build the JSON payload instead. Just select Create JSON as the action. Now add a new data structure. Under Specification, click Generate, paste in your sample JSON, and let Make create the data structure automatically. Then click Save. Then map the Jotform fields to the JSON fields. Next, go back to the APITemplate module and change the payload type to JSON. Then map the JSON string into the JSON field. Then save the module. After that, run the workflow again, submit another test entry through Jotform. Finally, check the output of APITemplate for the generated PDF's download URL. And that's it. You now have an automated workflow that takes form submissions from Jotform and turns them into PDFs using Make and APITemplate. If you want to try it yourself, sign up for APITemplate and start building your own PDF automation workflow today.